introduce about why we dream.
I think everyone had a dream before. Sometimes we dream a nightmare or something funny. But why do we dream? Scientists are not completely sure, but they have some ideas. One idea is that dreams help our brains organize memories. While we sleep, our brains sort through the things we learn during the day. Another idea is that dreams help us understand our feelings. If we are happy, worried, or excited, our dreams may show those memories. Dreams may also help us practice solving problems or prepare for new situations. But our brains stay busy even while we are sleeping. So dreams are not just random stories. They may help our brains learn, remember, and understand our memory.